we are recording a short podcast on about Nvidia and on robotics, how Nvidia is into robotics. So without wasting further time, I would like to introduce today's guest. Myself, I work as a solution architect. Hi, this is I work at Nvidia as a senior solution architect.
Hi, this is Kavi. I'm an Nvidia ambassador in robotics.
I guess this is from my first question is about you are kind of building. So what is isaacsim? How you guys are using it for the robot building? What's the role it takes?
Whatever we are training or whatever we are simulating, code of it, but which the Nvidia's build isaacsim is built on the omniverse, where we can simulate the robot in a photorealistic environment and modularity. So if you need to add some plugins to the robot, then you need to sacrifice things like that, you need to do it. But drag and drop the action graph and we need to simply integrate the action graph with the pipelines. So it's a very modularity for the user friendly behaviors. But if you understand the ROS and if you understand the basics of robotics, what is differential drive, what is holonomical, and the kinematic side, joint shape features, and the joint shape controllers, it's easy to enter into the action graph. That's all.
So, just to add on to the thing that Kavi and Gil mentioned, so isaacsim is, you can say, easy route to go about in the entering into the field of robotics, where you can actually simulate without the actual hardware with the underlying physics that we have created. It's just like a game engine. So omniverse is built on the physics game engine, just like the Unreal game engine that we use to develop, or the Unity apps that we develop. So similar to that, we have created this game engine which uses the actual underlying physics of the whole world that we have simulated into the environments. And you can actually get started with the realistic examples which are preloaded with the top robots companies, robot assets all present in the isaacsim. You can get started easily into the robotics game. All the examples are there. Reverse engineer those, apply on your robots and get started.
So it's a start for for example, we have to cross but my question is also related to the real world part. If something is complicated,
First studying the physics and we start rapid prototyping simulation. Then we enter into the prototyping. Where if you use isaacsim, we don't need to prototype. We get a computation device, then we need and connect the isaacsim with the hardware using techniques. And then the data, the sensors, data information to the hardware, the wirelessly and the computation performance and benchmarking and testing isaacsim. Yeah, this is a big amount of cars they are reducing by the isaacsim. Like, I'm building some AMR, simulated by Gazebo, and Nvidia sensors information, mainstream, and I'm doing the computation part in the edge device. That's all.
Just to sum up all what we have actually with the help of software that we are building, you can use the software as a loop testing. You can bring in your own software and check if the omniverse system whether it is compatible with the robot or not. You can do human and then what we can call it. Human also has to work with the robot in the same manner, same environment. So the human safety is at utmost important. So that's why we prefer human in the toolkit and then hardware. You can do all the three things in the same environment. So that makes our test benchmark.
Thank you.
on premium beta, we can access chatgpt 4, we can access llama, which are commercially available, all the LLMs. We leverage that in somewhat to write some basic structure of the code, but as far as the actual functionality of the industrial robot goes, it is not that easy for a robot model right now to code.
It's already mentioned about the also days of ROBOTICS. The person who is going to use AI is going to use it. So that's correct. Everyone will get a
So one need to use it.
use it.
So I didn't know how to write the basic snap map application. So I did ChatGPT and finally I knew how to map the local cost map. So it was like gaining an experience from hands-on with the strategy. So if I do that, as not mentioned, ChatGPT. Imaginations. So those imaginations really go real life. It's not ChatGPT is now the future developer can create those things by his own. Coding is
Do use assistants. It makes the process easier, right? Yeah. So it's just an efficiency tool.
whenever you want to use it, you can use it. But to make the basics in the other conversation, and project building is important. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time and discussion. We will make a complete episode.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.